5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's the Emily and Kimmy show. Boop boop. It's the Emily and Kimmy show. Boop boop. It's the Emily and Kimmy show. Doop doop. Where you learn a lot about Emily and Kimmy. Boop doop. It's the Emily and Kimmy show. Boop doop. It's the Emily and Kimmy show. No, it's the Emily and Kimmy show. Boop boop. It's boop boop. Boop boop. Okay. Oh, I'm Kimmy. I'm Emily. I'm Mega Kimmy. I'm Mega. You don't like it when I say Mega? Mega Moga. Mega Bubba. Mega Bubba. Okay, we are in a trailer. And we have a cameraman now. For like part of the time. Yeah. Like he doesn't do the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like
he doesn't do it right.
If I run it away.
But this is our cameraman, Brian. Come here.
Come.
Come.
No, well you heard him speak.
Yes, that was his speaking.
That was my brother. We are gonna go rafting. Well, them two I'm in film.
No.
So then it makes me camera woman.
No.
Yeah.
Brian.
Because I'm the cameraman.
I don't want to go with him.
Yes, it's funny.
You
can tip him over. You can tip her over.
No, he'll tip me over.
Ah, well, I don't even get out of it. This is the hurry.
My tummy feels better. Oh, my tummy didn't hurt. I mean hurt. But then you deleted the video.
It was stupid.
She was videotaping me going poop, and then she deleted it.
You're going poop.
Anyways, yeah.
Me and Kimmy are gonna go rafting.
Well, the cameraman films.
No. Yes.
It's funner to go down there with a friend, not a friend's brother.
Friends. It's fun to go
But
with
then
friends.
again, that's like you go to JJ.
It's the same thing. I would go with him.
Yeah, I know, but JJ's weird.
I'm not weird.
You're weird.
No.
I was gonna say something, but I'm just like, you're weird. Okay. Guess what? You wanna know what? Okay. I have nothing to say. I just wanted to do that. My timing hurts again.
Me too. Me three.
Whoa, you can count, Emily.
Okay, my tummy really hurts, and I don't feel like going to the bathroom. And like,
Go to the bathroom.
it hurts. Okay, we're doing the show because my tummy really hurts. Goodbye.
Hey, the cameraman is supposed to do it.
Yeah. I was gonna film you walking into the bathroom, and then you shut the door, and then your facial expression when you come out the door.
My tummy.
Give me your arm is shaking. Go poop.
I'm moving it, stupid.
Go poop.
No, it didn't feel poop. It had cramps and it hurts. My fingernail. I hate these bathrooms. I don't want to go to the other one because there's people in there. And this one, because you can open it.
But we won't.
Why would we open it?
Well, if someone else
You can open a regular
That's
door.
why we stay here.
and hear me poop.
We just hear the plop.
Yeah.
Well, duh.
We've all heard pops before.
The only people that
I wanna
used to play
watch
the plop
it.
were Dad was just like, you gonna film yourself?
I want to watch it. Get out. Make sure no one comes in. Make sure no one comes in. Ow. It is shut.